Well, it's a cool and cloudy start to your Monday as we look out over the Starkville Skycam. 43 degrees is what it is right now. Now, we were in the lower to mid-30s last night, but we are rebounding up into the 30s right now. Just a light wind out of the east at about 5 miles an hour and across the region, sitting in the lower to mid-40s across the central portion of the state and a little warmer down into our south. Now, we did have an exiting region, or we did have a low pressure system that sat over us for most of the weekend. It is now carried off into the northeast portion of the United States, sitting around Maine right now. But we do have yet another system that is sitting over Kansas as well as Iowa and Nebraska, and it's going to be bringing us another chance of very heavy rain for the middle portions of this week. Now, Futurecast does show this pretty well as we have an area of rain sitting over the border of Louisiana as well as Arkansas at 9 a.m. on Tuesday morning. Mississippi completely cloud covered right now, and then the rain will begin to move in around 9 p.m. Be seeing very heavy amounts of rain as well as this cold front that you can see start to develop right now. It will begin to move on throughout the middle of the night and into early Wednesday morning, and then around 9:15 begin to clear out and then clear out once again and be drier around 7 o'clock p.m. Now, this system could be bringing another 2 inches of rain to the area, to the state of Mississippi. Now, portions of the Delta are already flooding due to melting snow and ice as well as the rain that we saw last weekend, and we're just going to continue with those amounts. 2 inches again, very heavy rainfall for the Golden Triangle area, and then possibly some scattered severe thunderstorms down around the area of Jackson. Now, once this cold front though swings through, we are going to once again cool out and dry out a little bit. Have a lot of sun in the forecast for the rest of the week if we can just get through the rainy days. Now, we do have spring break coming up here on the campus of Mississippi State, and if you're heading down to Mexico, to Cancun, it should be nice, about 80 in the temperatures in the 80s. Panama City, Florida, as well as South Padre Island, Texas, sitting in the 70s, possibly a couple of sprinkles of rain in there as well. And then if you're planning on doing a little bit of skiing, Park City, Utah is going to be in the 30s. Now, here closer to home today, we're going to be sitting in the 60s, completely cloudy today, overcast conditions, and cooler. Not very seasonable, but then tonight we're going to drop off to about 39 degrees and keep those clouds in here. Winds out of the southeast around 5 to 10 miles an hour. And then tomorrow is when we're going to have the heaviest chance of rain in throughout the night as well as the day on Wednesday. 63 as your high, heavy rain late with winds at about 10 to 20 miles an hour. And then your Campus Connect forecast showing the heaviest rain on Wednesday with a high of about 69 degrees. We're going to cool it down just a few degrees to 61 on Thursday. And then once again, clear out and dry out for your Friday and Saturday with temperatures rebounding up close to the 70-degree mark. So another great weekend once we can get past the rainy conditions this week. Thank you for logging on. I'm meteorologist Emily McKinney.